These are idiot drivers, but they get increasingly more dumb. And first, we have this person who is going over 100 miles per hour on the shoulder to pass cars.
Whoa!
A horse carriage was on the road, and some impatient drivers illegally passed and almost totaled their car.
What the world? How does that car figure? Did you see her doing it? I saw her coming around the truck.
Why would anyone drive this close to another car? The best part of this video isn't how idiotic both drivers are, it's the reaction.
Holy shit! Fucking idiot! Good brakes!
A dumb driver almost caused an accident while changing lanes.
They're doing pretty good though. Yeah. In my lane. Oh! Oh shit! Whoa. Okay, I gotta go stop it. I'm gonna take a picture. Dude, I know.
A bunch of cars ran a red light, but the last one got a public shaming. This car was taking a shower on the side of the road. This idiot driver cut off the white van and almost caused an accident.
Soldiers. Now, most of them are. In the Strasbourg attempt, Louis Napoleon had worn the uniform of a country. Certainly not in the French army. For this next attempt,
An idiot driver decided to speed on a little street. But they got instant karma because they passed a state trooper that was leaving for work. A bus drove on a motorcycle-only lane. Instead of backing up, they just kept going. This driver ran out of gas and reversed all the way to the gas station. I'm not sure if this is a dumb driver or a genius one. If there's a bus with a big stop sign sticking out, that doesn't mean you speed past it. This truck driver thought he was too cool to wait in traffic, so he used the shoulder to pass everyone. But how did it turn out for him? Here's how you don't get off an exit. This person forgot the famous motto, "Turn around, don't drown."
Oh, dude!
Please just don't be like this idiot. They are making the pizza while delivering it to you.
Fire. Jeez, that was a big one too. Yeah. Fire. And the quicker they go, whoever made that looks good too. Fire. Like out of granite. I think that's bath tiles. I mean, bath tiles, not bad. Fire.
This lady said, "F the car seat, you're sitting up front."
There's legit a baby on this person's lap. There's a fucking baby on this person's lap as she's driving, talking on the phone. Oh my god.
A bunch of cars thought the shoulder was the exit lane, and they started to pile up behind a truck. Who's going to tell them?
A ver qué hace la gente. ¡Morros! ¡Meteros en el gas al ferro! ¡Gas al ferro! ¡Qué tontos, tío! ¡Hostia, importan millones, tío! ¡Madre mía! ¡Hostia puta!
This driver has never heard of a turning lane before. This idiot pulled out at the last second and almost caused an accident. These people had a cow in the back seat of their car.
Where's that go? The cow is inside the car, and the guy with the cow is hanging on the car. Isn't this crazy? Abuja for you, city of cows. That's what we don't see in Abuja. This is very funny.
This driver thinks roundabouts are a waste of time. This red car was in the left turn lane, but they decided to go right. If you enjoyed this video, you will definitely enjoy the video on the screen. What are you waiting for? Click it!